personbild.
Einstein! Einstein!
I have never seen a human so obsessed with anything in my entire life as my mom is with Einstein. In the Christmas holidays, we were over for dinner. But she was like, Frida, you have to move over to that seat so Einstein can sit in the comfortable chair. Because if he's on the plastic chair, he will probably slide. And he walks around with her all the time because he knows where the treat's at. I'm convinced she loves him more than she loves me. He is the grandchild, and she spoils him a lot. But you know, things weren't that simple in the beginning. When we were gonna get a dog, we did not want a white staffy. Because I thought they're not cute. I had a very different image in my head than what he actually looks like. But then we got there and we just went to see him and we completely fell in love. He was absolutely adorable. He wasn't scared at all. But he did not cry for a second. He just laid in the crate and totally relaxed. The longer we had him, the more I got to know his personality. And I did not know that I could love anything that much before. He will crave our attention at all times. He will sit on our lap and he will be so mad if we sit at the dinner table and he's not invited. Even when it's like his favorite things, he will leave it. He doesn't want to eat it without us. When we started training him to be alone, we took up the camera so we could see if he started biting our shoes or acting out. But then somehow he knew we were filming. He just sat looking into the camera, making himself look as sorry as possible. He's a big powder, but he gets very, very happy when we get home. He's a drama queen and he's very extra. If we ignore him, he will just jump our faces and be like, hello, look at me. He will jump up in the middle of us and start kissing us. But we're not the only ones Einstein would love to kiss. He also has a best friend.
Who's excited for a play date?
I am!
Are you?
Yeah!
Uncle Hans is Einstein's best friend in the whole world. He just named himself Uncle Hans, and I feel like he's entitled to it. He comes over multiple times a week to play with my dog. I'm convinced Uncle Hans is part dog. He loves Einstein very much, and they play on the same level. Uncle Hans will run around on all four and play with him. Einstein wants everything Uncle Hans had. Every time Uncle Hans finds another stick, it doesn't matter if it's smaller, bigger, anything, Einstein wants that stick. Half of the crazy things they do, I don't get on camera because I never get a warning. They just have a very special bond. It's hard to explain because you kind of need to see it to understand their relationship. Einstein is not my pet. That's my son. So I wanted him to be on our wedding too. He definitely did not help us prepare because all he wanted was to sit down and cuddle. But he was definitely excited because there were like 100 people there. And he was like, what? Every single person I've ever met is right here. What's happening? Everyone was looking at us and he was with us. So he thought everyone was looking at me, of course. He was just so out of himself. He was so happy.
So happy.
Oh, de meer. De meer.
Einstein, kom hit! Kom hit! Ja, hej!
Just look at him. He is pure joy and love. People might think, oh, they're dangerous dogs. But most people, especially dog owners, understand that they are so loving and they're just misunderstood. He brings us so much unconditional love. And my entire life revolves around him, and he knows it. I just wish everyone could know how beautiful stappies are. They truly are the most loving breed.